How to adjust audio levels in Filmmaker Pro. First of all, open the app on your device and load the project where you want to adjust the audio. Then tap on the music layer. This will show several options and select the volume option. Next, use the slider to increase or decrease the sound level based on your needs. If your video sound is too loud, you can lower it, and if it's too soft, you can raise it. You can also mute the clip completely if you don't want the original sound, which is helpful when you plan to add background music or voiceovers. For more control, you can use audio features like fade-in, which can make your sound even smoother. In addition, try balancing your background music and voice so that both can be heard clearly without overpowering each other. Now you know how to adjust audio levels in Filmmaker Pro. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more video editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.